So we're with Steve in SM and he's treating us to lunch, as you can see. Chicken and ribs, never had it before. We nearly didn't meet through miscommunication. Steve's from the US, he's been here about as long as me, haven't you?
Over a year now.
Oh, you've just been here over a year?
Yes.
Just over a year. So we're gonna have this lunch and then we're gonna go and see where he lives, and we'll show you how the other half live in the Philippines, eh? Just been to Kenny Rodgers and the ribs and the chicken were beautiful. So if you're in SM, go to the Kenny Rodgers. Now normally you'd get stopped for videoing in here, being as I've got a GoPro and not a phone camera. But so far, nothing's been said. This shop used to sell a lot of GoPro things. You what?
I said nice shirt.
Nice shirt, thank you.
I actually didn't
nice
see
shirt.
this part, believe it or not.
Yeah.
You probably think, oh, you probably saw my face on the back. No, I saw your back of your head.
Some people that recognise me come up and say, I forgot your name. Oh, Chris. So normally, like I say, if you video here, the guards would normally ask you to stop videoing. I'm nearly on the camera because I think it's so people aren't casing the joints, you know. I don't know, but again, so far. Now Steve's kindly offered to buy our kids a little bit of something for Christmas, so we're going to go to the toy part, which I think's here, and we've probably got it wrong. Now there's a new LCC opened up next door to SM, but SM's still doing well to say there's another store there. I don't think they'll let me in with the camera, I don't know. We'll have a look. I'll just switch you off a minute, guys, and then switch it back on again. The toys are over there. I thought they were on the bottom floor, but they're not. Shows you how much I know. Now, I thought I've got the wrong guy, but I thought I was talking to Steve a while ago and he wanted me to go fishing, but it was another guy. Looks like him. Similar. Now what you'll find in a lot of SM's guys is all the sales ladies are very young and they're all between 18 and 25. It's very rare you'll see an older gentleman or an older lady working in these places. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
So she's 5, you said?
This is a little bit embarrassing because it's very expensive here. I don't know, what about something like this, Mo?
For something. 1,000 before 2,400. Now 1,000.
Oh, that's better. Yeah. There you go.
I'd sell now. Before it's 2,400 and now 1,000. Big discount.
The boys are pretty easy.
What now? Computers and stuff. Is that what?
Oh my God!
This will be the forefront. What kind of things does he like?
He likes anything remote.
Like cars and trucks and things like that?
Yeah, remote ones. Green machines.
How about something like this?
Is this remote?
I don't know if it's remote.
How about this, sir? Yan, sa'yo. 1,000
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I like that.
I like it.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Do they like that kind of stuff, you think?
I guess so.
Aircraft with boat.
Let's have a look round. What would I get him? I've got to get them something yet because I've not bought him anything. They can't be too technical, otherwise he won't use it.
Like this? Rechargeable? I guess you can recharge it.
Yeah.
So you don't have to have batteries, you can just recharge it?
Yes, the car, sir, and the remote control, sir, we don't have battery.
You find in the Philippines, guys, they test everything before they let you take it, whether it's a light, whatever. I want compensation.
You can try it, sir.
It's okay. You try it because you very rarely get much of a guarantee with
You have
these
a license
things.
to drive that thing?
Yeah. That's
Well,
good.
what do you think?
Good, yeah. That's good.
All right, we'll take it.
This also is the charger of the battery of the car.
So thanks, Steve.
Oh, you're
Thank you very
welcome.
much.
I hope they enjoy.
I'm sure they will.
Now, if you want to wrap those and bring those to our Christmas party, the kids are going to open presents that's under the tree.
Oh, that's lovely. Your wife's got 50 presents?
Well, that's for the kids, the poor kids.
Ah, right, okay.
That's not good. They're not coming to our party.
We've got some toys to give away again at Christmas, but the second hand are not new. So we're going to give them to the poor kids.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Gladio Atlantean, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Arthur Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.